Hi friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can install and set up the Pagefly app in your Shopify store. Let's get started. Before going to the video, please make sure that you are subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. So first you have to sign in your Shopify store or sign up into your Shopify store like this. And like to install the Pagefly Page Builder app into your store, just tap on Apps Add section from the apps and go to the Shopify App Store from here. Now you can search for the Pagefly app from the Shopify App Store and you can see it there. And this is the Pagefly app installation page. So I recommend you to go through the overviews and key points of this app, and there is some pricing plans. So just go through this. They provide some free plans. So I recommend you to start with the free plan so that you can just explore more, and then if this find helpful, you can just upgrade to the paid plans also. And there are some reviews from different merchants also available here. So just go through this. And if everything is okay for you, then tap on install button. Now, Shopify will automatically install this app into your store. So, we have some several onboarding tasks like this. So, first, there will be a pop up showing like this. So, this app asks us to give some access. So, just go through this, and if this find helpful or if this fits for you, just click on install button. Now begins the installation process. So you can see the app has been installed into your Shopify store like this with some dashboards. So this is the home page of the particular app, and there are several dashboard sections here like pages, sections, analytics, CRO centers, pricing, extra features, and preferences. So in pages, you can just create the page like this on clicking here on create button. You can just customize the page like this. There are several options here. And you can also use some AI sales pages. So what is an AI sales page means? In simple words, it's a sale page that Pagefly can build for you automatically using your real product data. Instead of you manually creating everything from the scratch, Pagefly generates a page that already includes some templates parts or some important page likes, heading, descriptions, price, and other product details also. And you can just customize this like this. On clicking this, you will be going to the editor page. So this is very simple. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also please do like, comment, and share. See you in next video. Bye.